Everyone loves a Mercedes, the badge, the build, the legacy. But buying a used Mercedes, especially after the warranty ends, can feel scary. People worry about repair bills, expensive electronics, and hidden problems. But here's the good news. Not every Mercedes becomes a money pit. Some models are actually solid, reliable, and worth owning even after they're out of warranty. These are the cars mechanics trust, the ones owners keep for years, the ones that stay strong if you take care of them. So today, we're breaking down 7 of the most trusted Mercedes models worth buying after warranty, cars that often outlast expectations, cars that still feel premium, and cars that won't empty your wallet the moment something goes wrong. Let's get started. Number 7, Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204, 2007-2014. If you want Mercedes prestige in a smaller, practical package, the W204 C-Class is the sweet spot. Owners love it. Mechanics trust it. And compared to newer models, this one is simpler, tougher, and far less sensitive. The W204 is often called one of the most dependable C-Class generations ever built. The engines, both petrol and diesel, are simple and strong when serviced on time. The electronics are less complicated than modern Mercedes, which means fewer random warning lights and electronics failures. Build quality is solid. The doors feel heavy, the interior feels premium, and the ride is smooth for a compact car. It's affordable on the used market, and parts are everywhere. It's one of the few Mercedes models where mechanics consistently say, buy it if the maintenance history is clean. Avoid cars with poorly maintained turbo diesel engines. Old seals, skipped services, and neglected oil changes can cause oil leaks or turbo issues. But if you take the time to pick a clean example, the W204 is one of the smartest used Mercedes buys you can make. Number 6, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, the W202, 1993-2000. The small Mercedes that refuses to die. The W202 is a fan favorite, especially the C200, C220, and C230. It's simple, it's durable, and it's one of the most reliable starter Mercedes cars ever made. Why mechanics recommend it? Highly reliable 4-cylinder engines. Basic electronics rarely fail. Strong manual and automatic transmissions. Parts are cheap and widely available. This model was built during Mercedes' quality first era, before the company started adding complicated electronics that break too easily. Common issues: rust around wheel arches, minor electrical problems. Old AC compressors, most issues are cheap to fix. That's why this car is still running everywhere. Africa, Europe, Asia, you name it. If you want a budget-friendly Mercedes that lasts forever, the W202 is a safe bet. Number 5, Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211, 2003-2009. The W211 is a fan favorite. It blends old-school Mercedes toughness with modern luxury. It feels elegant, comfortable, and solid, without being too complicated. This generation is proof that Mercedes once built cars like tanks. The engines, especially the V6 and diesel options, are very durable if serviced correctly. Parts are easy to find and much cheaper than parts for newer Mercedes. The build quality is excellent. Many W211s have crossed 200,000 miles and still drive smoothly. It's simple enough that even independent mechanics can work on it without needing special dealership tools. The W211 is the perfect used Mercedes for someone who wants luxury without dealing with ultra-modern tech. These cars are older now, so check for rust-worn suspension, cooling system issues, cars with missing service history, but a well-maintained W211 is one of the most reliable used luxury sedans you can buy. Number 4, Mercedes-Benz E-Class by 2012, 2010, 2016. Modern feel, proven engines, great long-term value. If the W211 is the classic tough Mercedes, the W212 is the modern tough one. The W211 E-Class is one of the most respected models Mercedes built in the last 20 years. It's modern enough to feel premium, safe enough to feel confident, and simple enough to avoid the nightmare repairs seen in newer generations. The diesel engines are especially trustworthy and fuel efficient. Build quality is excellent. The interior, the ride, the safety features, all very strong. Because so many were sold, parts are widely available, and used prices are competitive. Electronics are more reliable than the newer E-Class models. Mechanics often say the W22 is the last great E-Class. Turbo diesels need oil changes on time, clean service, history, timing components checked regularly, but overall, the W22 is one of the best modern Mercedes models you can buy used and feel confident. Number 3, Mercedes-Benz ML GL W164, 2006-2011. A practical SUV without modern fragility. If you want an SUV that's premium but not overly complicated, the W164 ML and GL are great choices. They offer space, comfort, and capability without drowning you in expensive electronic problems. Diesel engines in this generation are workhorses. The mechanical design is simpler than today's SUV models. Less complicated electronics mean fewer random failures. Many W164s pass 200,000 kilometers or more with proper care. It's basically a strong, comfortable SUV with a reliable heart. Older SUVs can have suspension wear rust in certain climates, higher fuel consumption, but if you want a Mercedes SUV that won't constantly throw warning lights, the W164 ML/GL is a safe bet. Number 2, Mercedes-Benz C-Class W203, 2001-2007. The cheapest way to get into Mercedes safely. The W203 is the budget-friendly option on this list. It's older, yes, but it's simple, affordable, and easy to repair. This is the perfect entry-level Mercedes for someone who wants reliability without spending too much. Spare parts are cheap because the car is common worldwide. Mechanics know this model well. Repairs are straightforward. If you avoid the few weak engines and buy one with a clean history, the W203 can last many years. It's a smooth daily driver with classic Mercedes comfort. It's not the flashiest Mercedes, but it's definitely one of the more dependable older models. Some engines, like the M271 petrol, can develop timing or compression issues if neglected. So always check engine health oil change history, cooling system, suspension condition. Pick a clean W203 and it's a very affordable, reliable Mercedes. Number 1, Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212, 2010-2016. The most reliable modern Mercedes, period. The W202 is the king of reliability in the modern Mercedes world. It's the perfect mix of comfort, strong engines, high-quality materials, reliable electronics, affordable repairs. Why it's number 1? Extremely reliable V6 and diesel engines, strong 7G-tronic transmission, very few electronic failures, excellent build quality, timeless exterior design, common issues, minor suspension wear, oil cooler seals, aging bushings. But overall, this is the safest Mercedes to buy after warranty, especially the 2014-2016 facelift models. Ignore these and problems appear. Follow them and you have one of the toughest vehicles Mercedes ever made. Mercedes has a reputation for high repair bills, but that's not the full story. The truth is simple. Choose the right model, maintain it well, and a Mercedes can last many years after warranty. Some models are fragile, but these 7, they're proven, trusted, and built stronger than most people think. If you want comfort, reliability, and long-term value, these Mercedes models show you don't always need a brand new car to enjoy the Mercedes experience. If you want more honest Mercedes breakdowns, real-world car advice, and simple used car guides, make sure to hit subscribe. New videos every week.